Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Wolverine versus the Hulk. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so let us get started. So the Hulk's going to be right here. He's going to be looking down at Wolverine. It's going to be like a face-to-face kind of shot. So first thing, I think I'm going to actually draw the Hulk first on it over here. So I'm going to draw, let me see. Let's start with the brow of the Hulk. Top of the brow. In. Okay. It's just that sign. His face is going to be aiming down. And then over here, we're going to go out over here for the nose, downward. The Hulk has a really small nose compared to his face, right? That has to do with proportion. That makes him look a lot bigger. Like his ears are a little smaller and his nose is a little smaller to make like the rest of them look huge. And that's how like proportion really happens. Line over here for the nostril. Over here for the curl, the wing of the nostril. And by the way, if you want to learn like everything about the facial features, go to either my Skillshare. You'll get a free month if you sign up through the Skillshare. I think there's a link somewhere. I don't know. Or go to the main site, which is sketchingeasy.com, and there's going to be lessons on there. Maybe as of the recording right now, I don't have any, but I'm putting them up within the week, and there'll be lessons on how to draw every facial feature you want, because that's like the basis of everything, really. Line over here. Back for the mouth. He's got an open mouth right there. Out over here. Curve. Down over here for the chin. And back of the jaw here. And it's gonna right here. So that's kind of the back of the jaw area. Let's go over here to the eye. Pull down. Up. Circle. He's got like some crazy man eye. And then his gaze is gonna be forward. Let's go over here and put teeth in his mouth. So down over here. Back. Over here. Back up. Line over here for the far side of his mouth, okay? And then we're gonna fill that in. So it's gonna give it a 3D look in a way to see the far side of the mouth. Curve over here for cheekbone. Line over here. Line over here. You can draw an eyebrow right there as well. I forgot he's got some pretty sweet eyebrows. Masseter right here, which is a muscle on the side of the face. Curve right here. Line back here for the throat. And let's go to the forehead. Line under the forehead. And let's give some sweet hair right there. Sweet hair. Over here, let's go find the ear. So let's just put the ear over here. Not going to be too big. It looks like the letter C. Curve over here for the insides. Another kind of very simple loops there. Line over here for the temple. And we're going to go over here for find the back of the head. Swoop into the trapezius here, which is the muscles in the back of the neck, which pretty much every superhero has, right? And then it's gonna go off the page right here because his trapezius is so huge. Go off the page. Over here, maybe you guys see his bicep. Let's finish the rest of his hairdo. He's got like a military cut hairdo. Over here at the top, as well, military cut do. Curve over here. Line for his teeth. Line in his teeth there. And then we're gonna have his chest down here, kind of downward here. And so you have the Hulk right there. And then that's the chest, and this is like the shoulder. And now we're gonna put Wolverine here, and his head's gonna be significantly smaller. But he's still like, he's a tough dude. But Wolverine's kind of a small dude. I know in the movies he's like tall, and I do like that, by the way. I love his look in the movie, so don't take that as a slight. I love Wolverine's look in the movie. But yeah, let's kind of push forward into that right now and kind of sort that out. Alrighty, so let's go back. Let's jump in here. Face is going to be obviously smaller, so we're going to do a line right here for his brow. Let me see. Actually, we're going to make it more like the brow up here, actually. And that'll be the nose. Out over here for the top of the nose. Back. Over here now, I'm going to curve back along his forehead. And then curve for the top of the head. Alright. Let's go into his eye now. Line over here. It's basically like a Pac-Man sign. It's just like a bar graph. It's like a triangle, really. Down over here, angry. Up over here. Up over, kind of. So we're doing the top part of that mask. You know how Wolverine has that those swooping kind of ear things, whatever he's got on the side. Curve over here. Pull up. Alright, let's go back to the front of his face. Down over here to his mouth. Over here, top of his lip. Line down for his gritting teeth. Line over here for the bottom lip. Bottom lip here. Out. Down for the chin. Down over here for the back of the jaw. We're gonna find his mask over here, so we're gonna go over here, back, down. All right. Curvature. Gonna go over here on this side, pulling up, down for the other, you know, that other side of that ear thing. And then line up over here. Line underneath. Down over here. Curve under for his kind of like chest area. Back over here for his trapezius. Curve over here for the shoulder. He's got like that kind of curve here for that shoulder pad he has. So right now we have a pretty good idea of like, you know, where these guys are. Line over here for the top of the chest. Maybe the front of the chest over there. So the top of their chest, stuff like that. So really the rest of it is going to be maybe like a line from here. It's going to be very detail oriented. Line in his teeth. Little line right here underneath the jaw, the lip. Line right here under the jaw. Line over here. Curve. And what you could do is you could fill in this entire shape, right? Wolverine's shape, the entire thing is dark. I don't really want to do that though, because that's going to be such a huge mess. So I'm just going to put some dark underneath here. Dark underneath the neck a little bit to give it some, that kind of look, dark light. Right there. Line over here for the chest. A lot of it's just going to be like extra detail, to be honest, at this point. Line over the back of the neck. Line over here. And just kind of filling that area out. Same thing over here, going through the sternocleidomastoid. Just kind of stuff like that. That's the shoulder, so this is gonna be the split of the chest here. But everything else is gonna be these little nick marks that are like in, you know, different comics and stuff like that. It's gonna be very style oriented. But I hope you had a great time with this, by the way. I hope you learned something. Please do me a huge favor and say hi to me in the comments section. You can put dark under here. Comments section, I'll let you, you know, I'll say hi to every single person. You just gotta say hi back. Like, what's up? Or I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. If you say hi to me, I'll reply to everybody. So, anyways, that's Hulk versus Wolverine. I'm pretty sure Hulk will win. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of versions, right, of them fighting, and I believe Hulk wins every time. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Talk to you soon. And I want you to do something for me. I want you to stay art ready, okay? Art ready. You're always ready to draw. Keep a sketchbook on you. It's the lifestyle. We're artists. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you next time.